on her terrace. You know, they have a little area in the back. Drinking my Theraflu. I'm just trying to get over this little weird head cold thing, but we're about to get on the plane. So we'll check in. Our chariot waits. Kathy is here. So we about to get on in and get to LAX. See you in a bit. So we are on our way to New York. It is a little wet today, but it's a little wet today, but we're gonna make it happen, Captain, and we're gonna get all of our good eats from Jersey and New York. I'm ready. It's going down.
We stopped in Newark to get a quick bite to eat. I always want to go to Tony's Hot Dogs. I tore that hot dog up. And then we're on our way to New York.
I am out here. We are in Dikers looking at all the beautiful Christmas decorations. So it is drizzling just a little bit. We're gonna check it out. Actually, I might get under that umbrella with mommy. Shoot. Harry, come to see your the child.
All right, where's our tour guide? We're supposed to go straight and make a left.
Oh, we're following Daddy. He's up here. Oh, Daddy going that way. That was a little scary.
No.
Oh my God. I see a lot of people standing up ahead, so we'll see. Yep.
We are all over New York. We're making our way to Manhattan, Bryant Park, and Times Square.
Go.
Let's go this way.
Which way?
This way.
Oh, okay.
So it's just me and mommy again at Bryant Park. I like this chocolate because it's very chocolatey. It's not for everybody. Oh, but it is for me. Oh, I love it. I love it so much. Oh, yes. Oh, it's so good.
Which way?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, where are you? Oh, I'm in heaven.
Oh, right here? Is this what we came in?
Yeah. I can't even think straight. Asking me questions. I mean, cheers.
Huh?
Cheers.
Cheers! We left Bryant Park and made our way over to the Saks Christmas display. So we went to a hibachi grill to celebrate my mom's birthday and my birthday as well. I love a good hibachi. It's so much fun and entertaining, and the food is usually good. So we are just here. I'm looking over the menu. When I saw scallops, I was like, oh yes, we're getting scallops. And here's my father.
Let's go. Oh, Nana, what's your name?
What's the name? Oh,
What's your name? Yeah, Woohoo! Another one. DJ got it. Yeah. Baby shark. Yeah. Baby oil, Johnson & Johnson.
not baby oil.
Liquid is on fire. Catch it in your mouth.
When he said that, I already knew what was coming. I am so bad at this. I never could catch food in my mouth. Ever. But I tried.
Just gotta stand there and watch me burn. I know you know me. I know you can. Man, anything I do, I'm cooking for you.
I love it. I love it.
Our chef was so much fun. We had such a good time. We made our way back home and had some birthday cake.
Happy birthday for Adia and Josephine, the winter babies. Happy birthday, Adia and Josie. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
1, 2, 3. Yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Yaya.
You girls, I have them headphones. Yeah, for a long time.
Listen, you never know.
Bam!
Everyone having cake?
Yes.
I say we get one more last game of sequencing.
You want to spoil Dee's pre-birthday celebration? Come on.
Oh, you don't want to make mommy sad on her birthday, do you?
Ah, man. Hey, my wish is your command. Honey, how do you feel about that? You feel okay about whipping on them?
Whatever they would like to do.
Okay, we will give them what they want.
Got cooking, chef.
Well, I'm making my famous peach cobblers, a special request from my daughters.
Yes.
You're making the crust.
We got some blueberry pancakes topping by Miss Shar herself.
After breakfast, we exchanged Christmas gifts. Everyone was so happy with what they got.
What do you mean?
Yada, yada, yada.
So we went the non-traditional route this year and went to a Christmas
So we're here
buffet.
about to get into this buffet, y'all. I see scrimps. Got a little cocktail situation over here.
Y'all, they had a whole spread out here, and we were getting all up in this food. So I was pleasantly surprised because I didn't know what to expect because, you know, we Black, so we do holidays very different. But this food was really good. Now, my mama being my mama, she had a backup plan. She had the chicken and the macaroni and cheese on deck and ready
So
to
far,
go.
the food has been delicious, especially the prime rib. They was doing that thing, wasn't it? Yeah.
They also had a bunch of different desserts. I'm picky about my desserts, so they were just okay.
Do you need some light?
No, I didn't.
Okay. So we're about to get on this little cute train ride inside of the resort. We're gonna go be Santa's helpers.
Okay. That's exactly what we're doing.
Hold on. We're gonna go be Santa's helpers.
Okay. That's exactly what we're doing.
Hold on. I tried to get Nishar to dance with me earlier and she didn't want to. Even though there's no dance floor, the music is on volume 20 out of 100. We could have got turned. But she didn't want to do it.
We could have.
We're in an African themed resort. Don't know how I feel about this per se, but
Didn't you do the spa here a couple of times?
it was I was doing research.
I believe you got an African scrub.
No. That wasn't me.
It'll be what, Yaya?
Hasn't this been a lovely trip?
No, that's not what you said.
That's what I thought.
He asked me how I was doing in my shoes, and it'll be terrible if I trip. That's what you did say.
That lady at the bar was getting all the way live. I don't know what she was drinking, but happy birthday, Jesus.
Didn't say happy birthday, Jesus. I was making up a story, and here comes Nishara. Well, technically, Jesus wasn't born, and blah 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 blah.
Y'all want anything from the last bite? No Java coffee?
Nishara's just trying to leave.
No, I don't want anything.
Let's look at their cakes. What do you like to get from here, Mommy? Would you like me to get you something in my treat? Some katydids or something? That's your jam. Get up in that breakfast buffet.
What's wrong with this gorilla back?
Probably so people can sit on it.
Oh.
Mommy is convinced that she's gonna stay up. She already looks like she down for the camp. And watching the movie.
The Christmas Carol, Christmas Carol, like a Christmas Carol.
Everybody sing the song.
Oh, it's a sing-along?
Yes.
Pull up the lyrics. Mommy got a Scully like Ray J.
Call me Ray J.
No, Ray J is this. When he was taping, he kept changing where his Scully was. It was ridiculous. But
Thanks for comparing me to that.
oh, you got something to say about Ray J? Are you talking about Ray J? He wrote the classic piece in our history's fabric. I hit it first.
Oh, brother.
How dare you speak against Ray J?
In reference to Kim Kardashian?
Yes.
Yeah.
I hit it first.
Yeah.
That guy is crazy.
It's woven into the fabric of American.
Such a slime ball.
Scum of the earth.
I hit it, 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 I hit it first.
That's a damn shame.
Oh, let's do this. Okay. For the first time, we will be doing Scrooge karaoke.
So each person gets a song, and they sing the song along with the captions. Okay, Daddy gets I
Daddy
Hate People.
gets
I
I Hate
want to say
People.
this.
She want me to I want you.
I don't know. I guess I won't know till I get there.
I know, because you always sleep on everything. She don't.
All the year, December the 25th.
If you can't touch, I disagree.
Sweet yams.
Sparkling good health.
You know yams on this plate, but it just made me think of a song. The crisp.
Gentlemen, will you please honor me with your undivided attention? The time has come that I know you all look forward to in this house every Christmas Eve, when I ask you to drink to the good health and long life of my celebrated...
Y'all, this sing-along had me dying.
Thank you very much. That's the nicest thing that anyone's ever done for me.
Oh, they effing it up. Y'all better get it. Oh, snap.
Y'all, I was dying. I don't know what they were doing. My sister looked like Rerun. My father got serious all of a sudden. My mom was doing the poses. It was so funny. We had a great Christmas break, a really good time. And I am so happy we got to celebrate together. Until next time, bye.